Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You've opened your project. Now focus on the program monitor so you can control preview zoom. First, click the zoom level menu in the program monitor and choose 100% or fit to see the baseline. Once set, switch to the hand tool or hold the spacebar to pan the image, because zooming without panning leaves essential areas off screen. Make sure playback resolution is set to full or 1/2 for consistent preview quality before proceeding to finer zoom adjustments. Now refine zoom with precision. Type a numeric value into the program monitor % field for exact framing, for example 150% or 200%, which lets you inspect detail. For timeline zoom, press the plus or minus keys or hold Alt while scrolling the mouse wheel to jump in and out quickly, because that speeds editing around cut points. Also, reduce playback resolution to 1/2 or 1/4, so you maintain smooth real-time playback while working. Finish by confirming the final preview framing. Set the program monitor to fit or 100% and scrub through edits to ensure nothing is cropped. If a clip appears off-center, reset zoom to fit or enter 100% and use the hand tool to reframe. This corrects accidental panning. If playback stutters while zoomed, drop playback resolution and clear the media cache, because large previews demand more resources. Once done, resume at higher quality to verify final detail.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.